In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate fitness coaching Trainerize. By the end, you'll have a streamlined setup that welcomes clients, delivers programs, nudges accountability, and handles billing with minimal manual work. Start by turning on your client onboarding automation. In Trainerize Web, open the automation area and head to the client section. Enable the welcome message, getting started guide, upload progress photos, connect MyFitnessPal, and set goals. These cover the essentials from day one. Take a moment to customize the message templates so they reflect your voice and expectations, then save. Clear, friendly language here prevents confusion and reduces support messages. Next, automate program delivery so purchases instantly assign the right training. Go to Payments and open Products to create a program product. Under Program Access, choose whether it grants a master program, a specific training plan, or habit coaching. Decide how the start date should work, immediately on a set date or on the client's first login, and publish. This ensures every buyer gets the right content on time without you lifting a finger. For ongoing accountability, set up weekly check-ins. In automation under clients, enable weekly check-in reminders, progress photo reminder, body stats reminder, and habit reminders. Choose the day and time that fits your coaching rhythm, like Sunday at 8 a.m. Align this with your review schedule and your client's time zones for the best response rates. Automate workout scheduling with program templates. In programs, create a master program, then add phases, weeks, and workouts, and save. When assigned, workouts auto-schedule, phases progress automatically, and each week unlocks based on the start date. Clear naming helps clients understand what's coming next. Bring consistency to behavior change with automated habit coaching. Open a client, go to Habits, select Add Habit, pick a built-in or create a custom one, and set its frequency, daily, weekly, or specific days. Reminders will fire automatically, helping clients build momentum. For nutrition coaching, open a client's nutrition area and set goals for calories, macros, and a meal tracking method.